Hi friends, this is Sujil. Today we are going to see how can we write equations in LaTeX. People generally think writing equation in LaTeX is very difficult. But in this video we will learn how simply we can write equations in LaTeX using an online tool. So this is the document that we have created in our last video, that is my first document using LaTeX. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to insert different equations in this file using an online LaTeX equation editor. So let us start with the today's video. So for that, first we need to go to Google and search LaTeX online equation editor. So this will open a link like this. So you need to click over here. So it will open like a window as shown. So this we are going to use to write the equations. I'll tell you how we will go for that. So first let us see, these are the subscripts and superscripts that we are going to use in the equations. If you want to bold your equations or letter, you can use this, and if you want some integral signs, you can use this tool. If you want different type of bracket, you can go for that. If you want different type of symbols, you are going to get it from here. And if you want relations like equal to, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, etc., from here. If you want to have some metrics or modes, etc., you can take it from here. So now let us start with writing one equation. Suppose if I want to write an equation which is 6x1, so I need to write over here 6. So x1, so you need to select here, that is subscript. So click over here, you need to write 1 in bracket. You can write x here, so it will come as 6x1, and I need to write 17x2, 17 into x2. I need subscript, so I am going to choose this. So x2 plus some value 12 equal to 0. So this is the equation I need to write in LaTeX. So now I used this tool to write this equation as I have shown. Now what we need to do, we need to take this equation to our LaTeX file. So let's see how can we take this equation to LaTeX file. So this is the equation that you need to write. So for that, this is the code we have generated. Now this code we need to take into the LaTeX file. So I am copying this file from here and going to my LaTeX file. So I am taking here after the introduction section we are going to insert an equation. So for inserting equation you need to see slash begin equation, and you enter, it automatically generate a command which is called end equation. Now at this place of content you need to place the content that you have copied from the online equation editor. So now let's see by running this code what we are going to get it in our PDF document. So let's see. So we got the equation 6x1 minus 17x2 plus 12 equal to 0. So now let us write another equation. For that we need to again go here. So I am deleting this. I need to write another equation which is 3 into x1 square, x square. So we need to take square, so you need to click over here and you need square, write 2 here, and you can write over here square plus 5x, you can directly write here, plus 15 equal to 0. So this is the equation that we need to generate, and this is the code that we have created using this online editor. So similarly whatever we did in last case, that we are going to repeat. So we need to choose this, copy this, that is Control C, and again we need to go here. Let us say we need to put this equation below this equation, so we can write slash begin equation. So while you enter you will get another command which is end equation. So and you need to place the content over here. Now let us run this equation, run this code. So now we got our second equation. Now let us try something high, that means some complex equations we can try. For that we need to write an equation. Suppose we need to write an equation which is equal to minus b. So plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That equation we need to write. So minus b, we need to write minus, then b, plus or minus you can get it from here. So it will give you plus or minus, click it over here, plus or minus, it has come over here, root b square minus 4ac. Now we need to select where we are going to get the root. So here it is root, so click it over here, root. Now we need to write b square. For that you need square term, click it over here, so you can write b and square. After that minus 4ac divided by 2a. We need to divide whole this term by 2a. For that what we do, we need to take a fraction. So just cut this file and take this fraction and put the terms which is coming at the numerator that we have already generated in this bracket. So it is coming at the numerator, and the denominator we need to put 2a. So now we have generated the code for this equation, that is b minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Similarly, what we have done in last case, we are going to select this and copy this, and now we are moving to this page and we are going to put this equation by adding the command slash begin equation, and we are going to put this content here. Now let's see by running this code what we are going to get it in this PDF. Okay, so now our third equation also we have generated. Now let us say we need to write some equation which is having trigonometric functions. Let us say we need to write sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So how can we go for that? Let us see. So now you can see here one option which is function. Okay, so you need to take this function sin, okay, sin square theta. So sin square theta, we need to take theta. So symbol we need to choose. Okay, so it is coming here sin to the power theta. So exactly what we need sin square theta. So we need to write here 2. So it will come sin square. After this bracket we are going to add theta, sin square theta. Now we need plus cos square theta. For that we need cos term. Take the cos term here, and now we need square. So we need to take superscript from here. Write here 2. Now it will come here square. Now we need to take the theta term. So you can take theta by clicking over here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. So now we will take this code to the LaTeX document and put it inside begin equation and end equation, that is slash begin equation and end equation. So let's see how it is going to appear in this PDF. So it is showing sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now let us try for one more equation. So let's try how can we write the equation mod a minus lambda I equal to 0. For that we need mod. So we can choose mod from here, mod. Now we need to write a minus a. You can directly write a, minus also you can directly write. Now we need a term of lambda. You can choose it from here, the lambda, and then we need to multiply I. So you are getting a minus lambda I equal to 0. Then Control C, that we need to copy this, and now we are going to this file and we need to write slash begin equation and we are going to paste this equation over here. So you can see the fifth equation is also going to generate here, that is a minus lambda I equal to 0. Now suppose we need to remove the numbering of this equation. So let's see how can we do that. It is a very simple trick. Suppose if you want to remove the numbering of this equation 1, so go to that equation 1 and just give a star here, and the end equation also you need to provide star. Now let's see by running this equation what is going to come. So you can see here that the equation number has been removed from here. Similarly, if you want to remove the equation number of any equation, you can just add a star at this position of begin equation and end equation. So by using that online tool, you can write any equation which is useful in writing any manuscript or document in LaTeX. So this is all about writing an equation in LaTeX. In next video we will see how to import tables in LaTeX. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please share, like and subscribe this channel.